From little limes to glorious grapefruits and anything in between, today we're going to be making some fresh orange juice. So what you're gonna do is cut lengthwise down the center of the fruit, right in half. Take your fruit and directly place it onto the reamer and press down lightly. Close the lid and press the juice button. It's as easy as that. Our automatic juicing technology will lift and lower the reamer and pulp filter to extract the most juice possible without digging into the bitter rind. As you can see, the reamer has removed all of the pulp from the inside while leaving none of the rind in your juice and giving it a nice fresh taste. Now take the other half of your fruit, place it right on, and press the juice button again. Feel free to juice as much fruit as you want, but just make sure to never exceed the max fill line. Alrighty, now we're ready to try our fresh juice. All you have to do is push down the spout into your glass. Citrus juice is super versatile and can be used for all sorts of recipes, from sauces and dressings to mocktails and cocktails, even in desserts, and of course, it's great for drinking. Lift it back up to lock it back into place. Delicious.